Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a driver size tail light for the LEXUS CT200h hybrid car. So let's go ahead and unbox this. My client was parked on the street, and I believe one of the neighborhood's kid was riding bicycle and somehow got crushed into his bumper and then cracked the tail light. So during the rain, the water got in there, so hopefully it didn't get shorted or anything like that. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what I got. Well, original the eBay seller was asking for 140 bucks, and I put in $75 offer. Then he counter offered me back $90. So I accepted right away. So about $98 with the tax and everything, but free shipping. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is used, but the OEM. So yeah, he wrapped up pretty nicely. So a whole bunch of foams to protect it. Also the wrapping paper. Yeah, I could reuse this tape just by rolling it up together. That'd be cool. There you go, free tape. But it started rolling now. Wow. And in a string wrap. Yeah, he wrapped it so many times. It's so hard to open right now. I can get it open on one side. Wow, look at that. Looks pretty new. So in order to install this, you need to pop up those two of those plastic cover, and then there are like two of the screw. You need to loosen up, and then you slide the whole tail light backward towards you. So he said there are some scratches and light scarf. So there's one scarf that I see, and then maybe a couple of the scratch. One right here, one right there, one right there. Maybe there a little bit over here. But overall, it's pretty nice. And come with the harness. Also the bulbs. There's one over here, one over there. Yeah, so there's a clip right here from your the body of your car, and then install this where the hose is, and then just press in and then lock it. Well, yeah, overall it's pretty satisfied. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments up below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.